This is the Elgato Wave 3. Hello everyone, this is Jay from J Geeks Out, and today we're going to check out the Elgato Wave 3. This is the microphone I got to record my audio from here on out. Let's check out what we get from the box. From the get-go, we are greeted with paperwork, a smaller box, and we get the mic. So this smaller box contains the USB-C to USB-A cable, and a quick start guide in different languages. The paperwork illustrates the interface of the mic. Finally, we get the mic, and it comes with the stand. Setting it up is fairly simple. The Elgato Wave 3 is a USB mic, meaning you just plug in the USB-C cable that it comes with into the mic, and the USB-A at the other end of the cable into your PC. And that's it, you're good to go. However, I prefer connecting a headphone into the Elgato Wave 3 to monitor your voice as you talk into the mic. The Elgato Wave 3 has a 3.5mm jack at the back. Connect your headphones and now it's perfect. The Elgato Wave 3 comes with a singular knob in the front. This is used to control the level of whichever you are currently set into. There are 3 settings you can control with this knob. Right now you are controlling the mic gain. You can cycle to the next setting by pressing on the knob. The second setting is the monitor volume. So if you connect your headphones at the back of the Wave 3, you will be able to hear your voice and the mix you're playing on your PC. Finally, you have a mic or PC mix monitor. This indicates how much of the mic or the PC mix will be monitored in your headphones. What I mean is that if you push the indicator all the way to the left, you will only hear your voice as you talk into the mic. If you push all the way to the right, you will only hear the PC mix that's been playing on your PC. This may include your Spotify, your game sound, your chat. It depends on what you have set up. Tune it the way you want it to, and you're good to go. One thing to note though is while pressing on the knob is that it's clicky and a bit loud. So every press of the knob will definitely be picked up. I recommend setting your audio right from the start to avoid having to change some settings midway into your stream or recording. What you're hearing right now is the raw output of the Elgato Wave 3. You can probably hear the sound of the PC, the additional electric fan because I don't have an AC in my room, maybe some bugs outside. And also, since I don't have a mic stand or a boom arm yet, I am actually setting the Elgato Wave 3 on some disc cases. This is the sound quality of the mic. My face is about 10 inches away from the microphone. The mic gain is set at level 2 as indicated by the LEDs in front. Another feature of the Elgato Wave 3 is a capacitive touch mute button. So to mute the mic, you just slightly tap on the top of the mic. And now you can hear me again. When you mute the mic, the ring LED around the knob will turn red to indicate that it is on mute. When you unmute the mic, it comes back to white. Overall, the sound quality is good for me. I am not really an expert on audio, but this is good. If you are a potato like me who does not really need to go too deep into the tech of microphones, this is a very good option. It's a USB mic, it has good sound quality, and it's easy to use. However, I would recommend that you pick up a mic arm or a boom arm so that you can easily position this close to your face and minimize the sounds coming from your keyboard and mouse. The Elgato Wave 3 is a very solid mic. It's sleek, compact, and minimalist in my opinion. It is easy to use and set up. I will definitely recommend it to you if you wanna pick one up. That's it guys. If you find the video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.